Hi, welcome to Soul of Art and Craft. I'm Sri, your artist. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw a mandala on stretched canvas easily. And I tried to make this video as detailed as I can, so please watch it carefully till the end. For this art, I have taken around 10-inch stretched canvas and used Posca pens to draw the mandala. You can use this jelly roll or Signo gel pen if you are a beginner. If you are comfortable, you can use acrylic paint with very thin brush. Now I'm gonna prepare my canvas with gesso. After applying gesso, wait for 30 minutes, then use the base color. And I'm gonna skip the process of finding center and making grids because I have already two detailed videos about those two topics. Links I have provided in the description. Now I am making all the patterns on a paper with pencil first because of your better understanding. Otherwise, if I draw it directly, you will not able to learn the patterns properly, especially if you are a beginner. Nowadays, I am getting comments in my Insta reels and YouTube shorts like दीदी beginners के लिए कुछ बनाइए. For this comment, I would like to say till now I have uploaded 4 canvas mandala including this one. All the patterns I have used are specially for beginners. One thing you need to do that when you are watching the pattern, just pause it and draw the patterns on your drawing book and make your own mandala on your own way. And friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any update, you will get the notification first. Okay, now let's focus the process. Now my artwork is finished. Just see, it is looking gorgeous under natural light. This is under ring light. It looks beautiful, isn't it? That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.